Warning, this video contains heavy, over-exaggerated reactions and coarse language. Wildlife.
Taking her to surgery. Sir, please, get out of the shit. Get it out of here.
Sir, they're doing everything they can.
She's arrested.
Sir.
Starting CPR.
What's wrong? Sir. Come to the cab, please, sir.
Don't know what to say.
Please, don't let her die. Don't let her die.
Where are you going? Oh my god, no!
We are innocent.
Oh, you shady bitch!
Saving it to hire a hitman to kill Wes for letting me sleep with a drug dealer. Okay, can we all stop this? Please.
AK really wants to keep this genie in a bottle, so it's that intense.
Right now I have to go handle a bitch.
Miss Keating, do we have an appointment?
I thought your schedule would be clear now that your star witness has abandoned you.
Dude, I killed Steven.
You're all garbage.
You mean all them, right? Not me. I'm still good, right?
Asher, calm down.
And everyone.
It's worse, Dad.
Oh. Fuck, I knew that.
You needed all that time to culture on how to make the crime scene look like a textbook self-defense case. So, maybe I should be working up charges on the both of you. Your client for the first degree, and you for accessory after the fact.
What?
Your boyfriend is gonna grow up sometime. God knows everyone else in the house has. Now it's his turn. Or as I prefer to call it, 2 birds, 1 millstone.
Oh!
Federal Judge Millstone. There's enough evidence in there to charge him with multiple counts of corruption.
I ran a password attack on their system using a brute force algorithm called Snake.
Less nerd, more information.
Here. This file lists an adoption under the last name Hapstall.
Catherine or Caleb?
Neither. It's under Helena Hapstall.
The police came the next morning. I knew they'd done it.
The racist.
She's the birth mother.
Oh!
Of whom?
A baby boy.
Your aunt thinks she used it to support the child who had everything to gain from the murders of your parents and his mother. He just needed to get rid of you too. And the best part, Joey's love a secret baby. It was these fools who found us out.
I wanted to say sorry. That recording was inappropriate.
You mean the part about me being guilty or the part about my butt?
Oh!
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. Just, is it true?
What is going on?
Just the spot where you buried Rebecca.
Okay, it's one thing for Wes to think I'm capable of killing a girl, but it's not cool when it comes from you.
Seriously? You killed Lila.
Are you saying I hurt your feelings?
We have to finally talk, Wes.
You mean you do? Is she dead?
I don't know where she is.
I don't believe you.
And I understand that. It's because of your mother.
He hasn't told you about Tiffany Howard. I'm not playing this game with you. You sure?
Come on!
You lost.
No!
Be an adult and move on.
You're gonna regret not reading this.
You're wrong.
Tiffany was gang raped.
Oh!
Just killed her.
Said that!
How do you know that?
It's my job to know these things. About all of you. She abandoned you and not something that a 12-year-old boy gets over.
Stop.
You can't trust anyone anymore, definitely not a woman. Your mother leaves, now Rebecca, so I understand why you can't trust me.
I'm searching for the secret baby, even though you told me not to.
What?
His name's Philip Jessup, a 26-year-old white male who lives 2 miles away from the Hapston mansion. He's a serial killer or a cannibal or families we have either. I don't care about the families have me. I care about making sure you don't get in trouble for all this crap that we did. No one's gonna know. This is my fault. I shouldn't have involved you.
Oh!
Okay, just make it stop.
This isn't about my mother.
It is. You won't trust
There's
me.
nothing like her. She gave up everything for me. Her entire life to bring me to the States. And it killed her. You never did anything like that for anyone. Instead, you just
I
lied.
haven't lied to you about Rebecca.
How do you expect me to believe that?
Truth. Look at me. Look at me. Okay. I'm here for you, Wes. Alright? I'm never leaving you. You've taken care of it the right way this time.
The process. Don't worry.
Listen to me. You don't have to listen. I'll be good.
Oh, what? They kill her too.
Located. Start rescue team to my location. 100 yards northeast of me.
Oh, she's got the splatter.
Subject is conscious. I repeat, subject is conscious.
They're gonna fragment her.
There's no going back.